Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with parts and the first wiring. Place Arduino Nano, RC522 module, relay, and 12V solenoid on the bench. Make sure grounds are common. Connect RC522 pins, SDA to D10, SCK to D13, MOSI to D11, MISO to D12, RSD to D9 and 3V to module VCC. Power the Nano with 5V. Do not power the RC522 from 5V. Once done, wire relay signal to a digital pin and verify jumper connections visually. Now you implement the firmware and logic. Install MFRC522 and SPI libraries in the Arduino IDE, then load a sketch that reads tag UID, compares it against stored UIDs, and sets the relay pin high for a timed unlock. You should add debounce and anti-passback logic if needed. This prevents rapid toggles. Use EEPROM to save authorized UIDs so power cycles do not lose access. Make sure serial prints are active during testing, so you see UID bytes and state transitions. Finish by assembling and testing the full system. Mount the solenoid securely, place a flyback diode across the coil, and confirm the relay has proper isolation. Upload the final sketch, present an authorized tag, and confirm the relay clicks and the lock actuates. Measure 12V at the solenoid under load and ensure the Nano remains at 5V. If something goes wrong, check common ground first, verify the RC522 is on 3V. Inspect wiring for swapped MOSI/MISO, and confirm library versions match the code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.